Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here, I'm going to do Polkadot. All right, so Polkadot right now is trading at $6.33, 24-hour volume, we're up 2%, and market cap, we are down 1.89%. So heading over to our chart, again, I am going to be covering over our daily time frame and then 4 hours and 2 hours as well. So take a look at this here. We do essentially have, we could say inverted hammer candlestick, but it's more effective at the very bottom and trigger a possible reversal. But we are going to be calling this here a shooting star candlestick because of the pressure. Ultimately, we want to focus on the actual candlestick itself. And we can see that the body itself has mainly at the very bottom and barely any wick or little to wick at the very bottom here. So essentially this does show a lot of selling pressure. We've already seen it for today. We've seen it in Ethereum, and we've also seen it here on Bitcoin as well. And ultimately right now we are going to be taking a look at areas of support. And the reason why I say areas of support is here the RSI has triggered, or ultimately going to be triggering in the next couple of days, a selling opportunity, as we are already considered to be overbought. So we already see here a rejection from our highest peak from October 25th at the $6.64. We can see already that quick rejection from that here. So normally whenever we get rejected time after time, it's only essential that the price is going to want to retest it. And when we retest it, it is going to break it out. But essentially what we've seen today is a huge selling pressure. Again, we can see that the body is ultimately engulfing the previous candlestick's body as well, which is another warning sign. And in the next couple of days, because we are considered to be overbought for our RSI, we are going to find areas of support. Now we can see here we've got this downtrend corridor, especially on here when we saw, a lot of coins, Bitcoin and Ethereum, go up. A lot of other coins, including Polkadot, went up as well. However, this is going to be a very primal point where the price is going to retest is around 50 to 38%. Notice already we've got a really good area of supply and demand in this chunk here where price consolidated, rejection from our 20 MA, and then a breakout on our 20 MA as well. So roughly around this node here at $6.18, around the 50 to the 38, but most importantly around our 20 moving average is going to be that heavy area of interest to see if we can be able to break out, hold support, and then retest the $6.64, or fail to do that, close below, and then come back down to the $5.72 there. We do have a good area of support on the 38% of our fib around these couple of days here. So we are going to be testing or retesting that area of support. Heading over to our 4-hour time frame, we did see that the price did consolidate a few times here. Again, coming up to that area of resistance of $6.64, area of resistance coming down to support. And ultimately in this 4-hour time frame, we've seen that support broken. So here again is going to be the test here of our 20 moving average to see if this direction would be able to hold it, or if we are going to break right through it into our next retracement level, which is the $6.20 here. Now, if we can see a few of our indicators, this is going to determine of where the price is going to lead to and where it's going to land. If we take a look at the MACD indicator, it's already triggered a buying or selling opportunity here, and the momentum is going to go heavily, very strong here. We can see that the RSI at the very bottom here is considered to be oversold. Anything in my books of below 20% is considered as oversold. However, for DOT, it can go as low as the 0% or 1% before we see that buying opportunity, and we want to be able to look for shorter trades here because the volume itself is not supported for that uptrend or that pullback. If we can see here again, as the price was coming down, we can see price or volume wasn't really increasing substantially for us to put in a long order or long trade in that aspect. So as price is coming down, here is our next retracement level at $6.20. Depending on the movement of the MACD indicator, it is only just started here, so we're not at the primal point of the actual of the actual momentum itself. So be very, very cautious as we're coming down to these retracement levels. We are most likely going to be closing below the 20 MA and changing the direction of this trend on a shorter time frame. Now, quickly taking a look at a 2-hour time frame here, we're already considered as oversold at the very bottom of our Bollinger Band, and we can see that the Bollinger Bands are expanding. So it's already made its decision that it is breaking down in a downtrend, but take a look again at the MACD indicator on how big these waves are. This is not the end of this downtrend. This is not the end of this trend for our MACD indicator. So be very cautious if you are trading Polkadot today. So that is my video. Let me know what you guys think down below. Comment and subscribe. Also like the button as well to help the YouTube algorithm for my videos. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye.